Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're going to take out the 80mm Super Scale F9F 8 Cougar. F9F 8 Cougar. So, have some fun with her. All right.
Motor on.
Kind of windy. Got a 7-channel Limit RX Gen 2. And got the FREEWING brand afterburner there because that's just what I have installed. I need to put a KM model afterburner. I know the real one doesn't have an afterburner. Got a 5200 HCl SMC pack inside there. High rates. Now this is actually quite efficient. You get a full 4 minutes of flying out of this one. The entire plane's body is a lifting body. And you do not use takeoff flaps on this. Landing flaps fine, but not takeoff flaps. Because it naturally sits kind of up and it lifts off just fine. It doesn't need takeoff flaps. Alrighty, so here we go.
Gear up.
Yeah. Takes a little while for them doors to shut. Take it out, flip it, inside sticks, outside sticks.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
No elevator needed to maintain inverted. Yeah, she's smoking.
Gear down.
Helps if I turn the gyro on. Just realized I didn't have the gyro turned on at all. Just helps with the I didn't like it. Just helps with the wind. It doesn't have self-leveling or anything. No bailout.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps. Flaps
Well, I think we're going to do no flap landing. If you don't like it, go around. These jets usually have more than enough power to let you get out of it. Wind is shifted out of the southeast at a more south than southeast, so it's cross runway now. This actually has fairly narrow gear.
braking. Brakes on.
Thrust reverse is very effective on it. All right, take it up and try to get a better landing this time.
Landing flaps. up.
Yeah, I don't want to try to horse her to keep her straight on the runway. It's just a little too windy to try to horse her around, and she's not exactly cheap. All right, we have 38 seconds left, but I think that's good enough for now.
Braking. 30 seconds. Brakes off.
All right, flying rates it just flew in. Aileron, 100%, 30% expo. Elevator, 100%, 30% expo. Rudder, 80% with 30% expo. Flap systems, not even going to give you takeoff flaps because I don't use them. Flaps up, negative 100%, no mix. Takeoff is negative 70 with 0%, but I don't use it. Landing is negative 30 with 0%. There's no mix needed for flaps, so that's good. Don't have forward programming because I have a 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2. All right, a couple of interesting features about this plane. This is when they started introducing the really true quick connects.
Prop secured.
But for whatever reason, the designers put the pins on the top side. I don't know why they did that, but you want this pin to be forward, this pin to be backwards. That way your wings will stay on. If not, they slide right off. You got the ribbon cable, and that's it. That's all you got. But make sure them pins are forward for storage. But it's such a short, stubby plane. I mean, I really don't think you need to be able to do that. CG, I don't have the numbers on it, but they're actually on the wings. You can actually feel the marks. I've got 2 tanks that you can fly with it, but to me, she just, with the tanks on, she flies squirrely. I mean, that's not a real, what you call a real scientific definition, but she just flies squirrely to me. You want this one to be level, and actually, if she's a little bit tail heavy, it's actually not too bad, but at least level, and that's pretty good where she's at. Let me show you where I got that CG. I need to give this one a clear coat. It doesn't have a clear coat. I got the 5200 HCL pack. I got it basically tucked under, just under the front lip there. KM model or actually a FREEWING brand afterburner in there. Let's see how much is left in the tank. Still had 25 seconds on a 4-minute timer. And that puts us at 38% left, so I could have gone the full 4 minutes with, yeah, 3.8 per cell. All right, well, there you go. That, folks, is the 80mm FREEWING 80mm F9F Cougar from FREEWING. It's a good flying plane. The whole thing's a lifting body, and you don't need takeoff flaps to take off. So y'all have a good one. God bless y'all. Gabriel, thank you for filming. Jesus is Lord, and that is the Cougar. See y'all later. Bye-bye.